Here's how to do the weave stitch, which is this fun stitch right here. And you can see I've already started with some straight lines that have gone across my section that I want to do the weave in. Now next I'm going to bring my needle up so I can start weaving in the opposite direction. So I'll pull my thread through here. And now I want to flip my needle around, so we're using the eye. And that's because the eye is a little blunter and easier to weave in and out of our threads here. So we'll just go over, under, over, under, up the side here. And because this is a little bit of a cone shape, I'm only going to go up a few rows and then bring my needle back down right there. If this were an even shape, I would go all the way across to the other side, but because it's not, we're only doing a short row right here. So then I'll go up a few more rows and we'll go back down in the opposite direction. And we want to do the opposite of what we just did. So that was over, under, over. So now we're going to go under, over, under, like so. Got another row down there, just like so. Pull that through. Bring our needle back down through the fabric, like so. And then we can kind of smush our row over a little bit to be closer next to the one we have. Help it lay flat. Now we're going to go up again. You can also use the pointy part of your needle to smush your row over a little bit too, or the eye. Either will work. There we go. One more row here. Thread over a bit. Nice. It's nice and tightly packed in there. If your rows are kind of spaced apart, you'll see the fabric underneath, which you can do. I just want it all filled in. All right, flip this around again. And up we go. All right, be careful not to stab yourself with the pointy part of your needle. I've done it. It hurts. Speaking from experience. All right. Go back down. Alright, I think we're good and filled in here. And that is our weave stitch.